Ever wondered how people are getting these ultra-realistic selfies with movie stars? It's not Photoshop, it's next-gen AI. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to do it in 6 easy steps. Step 1. The mugshot. Take a close-up photo of yourself with good lighting. One facing front and one at a 3/4 profile on each side. This ensures the AI captures your face perfectly. Step 2. Go to fomoAI.com. Pro tip: use code FREE to get 100 free credits when you sign up. Go to Images, select Nano Banana Pro, upload your free mugshots, and type the secret prompt I reveal at the end of this video. Step 3. Let's bring it to life. Go to the video section, then use KlingAI 2.5. Upload 2 different selfies as your start and end frames. Add a transition prompt to make the movement look natural. Step 4. The atmosphere. Head over to archive.org to download the original themes of your favorite movies or shows. This is what makes the video go viral. Step 5. You don't even need a separate app. On fomoAI.com, go to Edit, Videos. Assemble your clips and sync them with your downloaded music. Step 6. Download and share. To get my exact prompts and Nano Banana settings, join the fomoAI Telegram group. The link is in the description. Go create some chaos!